Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on the WebTech Zone. Today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to combine first name and last name in Excel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to merge or how you can combine your first name last name in Excel. So before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let's start with the video. So here you can see this is the demo data I have just created, and you can see the first name and last name. So in order to join this first name and last name on in one cell, or if you want to combine this both name in one cell, so how you can do this? So you have to select one cell or destination cell where you want to combine these. So I want to combine these two name in this one cells. So just click on this cell and just enter the equal sign, that indication to Excel that I'm going to use now formulas. Okay, so now you have to use formulas like uh, con concatenate formula. You have to use type only con, then your formula will be automatically come below. Then you have to just tap click on tab, the formula will become appear in front, and the one bracket will be open automatically. So now you have to click on first cell and like A2. Okay, it's show A2. Now you have to give the comma, and now you have to select the last one name, and last name cell, and now you have to close the bracket. So you can see the both name, first name last name, has combined now, but there is a one problem. There is a no space in the two between the two name, two name, like first name last name, there is no space. So in order to give the space between the two name, so how you can do this? You have to follow same step, like type the equal button, equal sign, then concatenate will come here, and click on tab, that formula will come in front, and one bracket will be open. Now same as you have to select first name, then give the comma. Now you have to give double comma, then give the space, then give the double comma. Now you have to give the click a comma again, and now you have to select the last name, and now you have to close the bracket. You can see the space has been come, and you can see the space has been appear here. So if you want to apply this formula to rest of your data, just click on this corner, hold this corner, and just scroll down. The formula will be copy here, and same you have to copy upper side. Just click Control and C. Now Control and V, the copy formula will be copy here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for